If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Francine, and on this channel, I talk about personal financing, whether it is the budget, whether it is getting out of debt, or whether it is saving for a better future. So today, we are going to do a budget with me. Typically, don't do a budget with me, but we're going to try something new today, okay? We are budgeting the last paycheck of July. I know it's August, so as many of you know, I upload a week after that paycheck. So yeah, this is the last paycheck of July, and we gonna get into it. As you know, this is the budget sheet that I'm working with. It is from Mama's Got a Budget. This is her template. I've been using it for the past this whole month actually, and I like it. But I am still in love with my stickers and customizing. But I just wanted to continue to use it since I am, in need for a new budget planner. So yeah. So we are going to start it up. Okay. Zoom in. The income, as you know, this is the last pay time of unemployment, because I did get a new job. So kudos to me. So this is going to be the last $665, and this is the last time that we are going to do weekly cash envelope stuffings. I so appreciated those videos, and I know you guys appreciated it. One last time, one last time. George Washington's going home. Well, I'm not George Washington, Francine is going home to a job. Francine is going home to a job. Yes, like, we are getting back to, well, I was used to bi-weekly, but now I'm by semi-monthly. So because I am on a salary now, so I'm excited of this new journey, that I'm embarking. And I thank God for the unemployment money that I've been getting and how much I've been able to save with this unemployment money. But yes, for all this, I'm thankful for all the money that I've been able to save, because it has helped me. I've saved so much money, and if you've been with me, you know how much I've saved. And if you don't know, stay tuned for my next videos, honey. I'll be able to tell you everything, everything. Everything. So that is our budget. As you know, I don't use actual, and I don't use variance or difference. Some people call it difference. So I do sell stickers, and these tabs are not in it because I don't use it. I don't know why. I'm not appealed. It doesn't appeal to me when I budget. So I guess I'll just put the actual as 665, and the variance is 0 because there's no difference. History has its eyes on you. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna teach them how to say goodbye. Teach them how to say goodbye. One last time. Okay, so I don't think I'm giving. Yes. I am giving something for Discover. It was $100. So, guys, my budget is all over the place because I really thought that I was going to get paid from my new job the end of the month, but my hiring was in the middle of their pay cycle, so I have to wait until the 15th. So I have to make this money stretch. And I didn't know that until after I budgeted and I already send money elsewhere. So your girl gonna be struggling. So we're gonna put $100. I already sent the $100 away before I knew what was going on. So I'm a little sad. Then I'm not doing anything for savings. Savings would be house and emergency. And both are getting 0 right now. So we're gonna go to our expenses. So like bills, what are our bills? So my bills for this pay period is HP Inc. I use that for my business. I should actually move this to a business expense where my business pays for it. If you don't know, I do sell stickers. I sell paycheck to paycheck budget stickers. I sell planner stickers, and I also sell cash envelope stickers. I should sell cash envelope stickers, but I sell cash envelopes. And if you are interested, the link will be down below. The shop is called Freeport Creation. My next bill is iCloud. I know my boyfriend tells me I don't need it, but my phone's old. It got no space. Then Apple Music. This is something that I will not get rid of. I'm still under the student plan. And if they try to tell me something, I'll be like, I'm still a student. I'm in grad school. So student me, please. Oh, actually, I have to call Discover to tell them that I'm still a student. Yeah, I gotta do that. I gotta figure that out. So altogether, that is $28. So not that much in expenses. Then now I'm gonna go to my cash envelopes. My cash envelopes is food. I budgeted $150. I wanted to get some crab legs. I have succeeded in getting crab legs. I just have to boil them and make a seafood boil. If you're interested in that, it's probably gonna be like not a tutorial. You're just gonna watch me cook because I don't know what I'm doing. This would be my first time creating a seafood boil. But hey, maybe I'll take you on live one day. I put $100 away for me. That may just be the money I'm gonna use to supplement these next 2 to 3 weeks of expenses. I'm gonna try not to take Ubers every day because I'm not used to waking up extra early for work. And this week I believe they want us to be on site. Last week we was online training, but now they want to be on site. So let's see what happens, because your girl likes to sleep. So now for sinking funds, we have Doctor. I'm putting away $10 because I want to up my money. I only have $50. I need to increase it. Annie is getting, anniversary is getting $20 because that's coming soon. Birthday is getting $50 because that's next month, and I already know what I want to do. I just have to figure out a way to execute this. Like, I'm ready. So self-care is getting $100. So in total, that is supposed to be $108, and then what's left over. So if I have my bills, expenses, and debt is $128. Savings is 0. Cash envelope is $250. Oh, I forgot to write it here. $250. And then my sinking fund is $108. So So now we just have to put these numbers together. The income was $665. 665 minus 128 minus 250 minus 108. We have 179 left. That's how much I should have. Do I got it? Probably don't. But this is how much money I will have to stretch out for the next 2 weeks for survival until further notice. So yeah, so that's basically, that is basically it for my budget with me this pay period. Stay tuned for the next video where it's going to be me stuffing my cash envelopes, all right? And then I'm going to be counting my sinking funds. Can't wait for that. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.